Jesus invites us to take his yoke upon our shoulders. The yoke of Christ can be seen as the sum of our Christian responsibilities and duties. To take the yoke of Christ upon is to put ourselves in a relationship with Christ as servants. Through the words, "My yoke is easy," Jesus means that whatever God sends us according to our needs and our abilities. Second part of Jesus' claim, "My burden is light," does not mean that the burden is easy to carry, but that it is laid on us in love and is meant to be carried in love, and that love makes even the heaviest burden light. What are our burdens? We feel burdensome due to some demands and expectations from others. For example, the burdens of responsibility that come with being a parent, teacher, manager, or leader. How do we deal with these burdens which have become part of our lives? We are invited by the Lord to take upon ourselves the yoke or the burden of discipleship and to learn from him. Apart from him, our endeavors of doing the will of God are futile. He is assuring us that his yoke is good and light. The one he offers is modeled after his gentleness and humility. Let's close our eyes for a moment. Lord, help us to put our complete trust in you, for you know what is best for us. Unload the burdens of our sins and worries. Keep us united in your presence so that we live our lives joyfully and glorify you by our deeds.